So in this video, we are going to learn how to add new leads from Instagram lead ads to Microsoft Excel. Let's say you're running some ads on Instagram using which you are generating some new leads. And now you want to add these leads in Microsoft Excel as well. So let me tell you how you can actually automate this process. So using this automation, whenever a new lead will be generated in Instagram lead ads, automatically the same details of lead will be added in MS Excel as well. So if you want to learn how you can set up this kind of automation, for that you just have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, this is my Instagram account and I have connected my Instagram account with my Facebook page as well. So we will go to the settings section of this Facebook page and I'll go to linked accounts. And here you can see my Instagram account is connected over here. And also using this Facebook page, I'm running some Instagram lead ads. So I'm running some ads on Instagram using which I'm generating some new leads over here. So this is the ad campaign. Now I want that all the leads which we are generating using Instagram lead ads, I want to add all of those leads in my Excel sheet over here so that I can have a complete record of all the leads which we are generating. Now to do this, what we have to do, we have to connect our Instagram account or our Facebook account using which we are running ads with Microsoft Excel so that we can generate the new lead and add them automatically in our Excel sheet. And we are going to use an automation and integration platform called Pabbly Connect to do so. And to access Pabbly Connect, we will just go to a new tab in our browser and we'll search for pabbly.com/connect. And here you can see we are on the landing page of Pabbly Connect. After coming to this page, you can see two options. First one is sign in, second one is sign up free. Now, if you are new to Pabbly, just click on this sign up free button and you can create your free Pabbly account in just 2 minutes. Or you already have an account, then just click on sign in. So I will just sign into my own Pabbly account. After signing in, we will reach to this all apps page. Here we just have to click on access now below Pabbly Connect. And after clicking on access now, we will reach to Pabbly Connect's dashboard. After reaching to this dashboard, we have to create an automation workflow over here. For that, just click on create workflow button and give this workflow a name. So let's say I would like to name our workflow as Instagram lead ads to MS Excel. Instagram lead ads to MS Excel. You can basically give any other name of your choice. Then just select the folder of your Pabbly account in which you want to create the workflow and click on create. After clicking on create, here you can see the workflow is open over here. And in this workflow, you can see two different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this whole automation works on. Where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's start with our trigger window. Now the idea here is first we have to connect our Instagram account or our Facebook ads account with Pabbly Connect in the trigger step. So that whenever a new lead will be generated using Instagram lead ads, automatically the details of that new lead will be received inside Pabbly Connect and this automation workflow will trigger. It will start. After that, using this Pabbly Connect automation, we are going to send the details of that new lead and add those leads in our MS Excel sheet as well. So let's see how it is done. Starting from a trigger window in Choose App, search for Instagram lead ads. Just select it. After selecting Instagram lead ads, here in trigger event from the drop-down, select new lead instant. After selecting the trigger event, just click on connect and select add new connection. Now here we have to connect our Instagram lead ads account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, we have to click on this connect with Instagram lead ads button. Now here in this pop-up window, it is asking us to select the Facebook account. So the connection between our Instagram account, Instagram lead ads account and Pabbly Connect is done via our Facebook account or our Facebook page. So that's why it is asking us to connect our Facebook account with Pabbly Connect. So that's why it is very important to connect your Instagram profile with a Facebook page or a Facebook account. And after that, we are going to connect that Facebook account with Pabbly Connect. So here I've selected my Facebook account. We will just click on continue. And as we click on continue, we will see our Instagram lead ads account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. And after making this connection, the first thing it asks us is the page. So here in this drop down, you can see a list of all the pages which we have created in our Instagram lead ads account. Out of all of this, The page which we have connected with our Instagram profile using which we are running ad. So the page on which we are running ad is named as Peak Physio. Let me show you. So I'll just go back over here and you will see Peak Performance Physio. This is the Facebook page using which I'm running the ads. As you can see in the ad campaign as well, we have selected this page. So we have to select that exact same page over here in this drop down inside Pabbly Connect. So I'll just search for the page and select it. Peak Performance Physio. After selecting the page, it is asking us lead gen form. Now for this particular Facebook page as well, I have created multiple lead gen forms. And what lead gen form you're using in your ad campaign, you have to select that particular lead generation form over here. Let's say if you're using multiple lead generation form or all the lead gen form which you have created for this Facebook page, in that case, you can select this all lead gen forms option as well. Now, whatever form you're going to select over here, new leads from that particular form will be received inside Pabbly Connect. But in this ad campaign, I'm using all the lead gen forms from Facebook page. So that's why I will be selecting all lead gen forms over here. After selecting this, just click on Save and Send Test Request. And when we click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see it has now changed to waiting for webhook response. This means Pabbly Connect is waiting to get some new lead from Instagram lead ads. Now, if you are having a live ad campaign on Facebook or for the Instagram leads, then in that case, what you can do, you can just wait for a few minutes to generate a new lead and capture the response of the new lead directly. But if you don't want to wait for some time and you want to instantly generate a new lead, in that case, what you can do, you can use the lead ad testing tool. So this is Facebook's or Meta's lead ad testing tool. And using this testing tool, we can generate the test lead for the lead gen form which we have created. All we have to do is go to developers.facebook.com and we have to select the RTU debug tool. Now you must be thinking how I have actually reached to this lead ad testing tool and how you can use this lead ad testing tool to generate the test lead and set up your automation. So we have a dedicated video already live on the channel. You can refer to that video and learn how you can set up the lead ad testing tool account and how you can access it and how you can use the lead ad testing tool. After coming to this testing tool, here it is asking us for the page, that for which particular page we want to generate the test lead. So here in this drop down, you can see a list of all the pages. Out of all of this, the page which is connected with my Instagram account, the page which we are using in our ad campaign, I have selected the same page over here. And after that, here in the drop down of form, you can see all the lead gen form which I have selected, which I have created for this particular page. After selecting the form and selecting the page, just click on this preview form button. And now you can see the same lead gen form which we were using in our ad campaign, the same form is open in front of us in preview mode. Now what we have to do, we have to generate a test lead. So let's say I'll enter the details of a test lead over here. The name of this lead is demo user. This is the email address. Then after that, this is the dummy mobile number which we are going to use. The gender is, for example, male and the city is, for example, Delhi. So just now we have entered the details of a test lead, a dummy lead. Now let's click on next and after that just click on submit. So as we click on submit, we can see using this lead ad testing tool, we have generated a test lead in the same lead gen form which we were using in our Instagram lead ads campaign. After generating this test lead, because we have connected our Facebook account or our Instagram lead ads account with Pabbly Connect, we will see in our Pabbly Connect workflow in this trigger step, within few seconds, we have received the response. And in this response, you will see the details of the same lead. We have the same name, demo user, we have the same email, same mobile number, same gender, and same city as well. This means the step 1 of setting up this automation is completed, where we have successfully received the details of a new lead from Instagram lead ads in our Pabbly Connect workflow. After this, let's move to step 2. And in step 2, we want to add the details of this exact same lead in our Microsoft Excel sheet. For that, we will just scroll down and come to this action step. And here in Choose App, we will search for MS Excel. Just select Microsoft Excel over here. After selecting Microsoft Excel, here in Action Event from the drop-down, select the action event as Add Row to Worksheet because we want to add a new row of data in our MS Excel worksheet. After selecting the action event, just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here we have to connect our Microsoft Excel account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, just click on this Connect with Microsoft Excel button. Now, because I have already logged into my Microsoft Excel online account in my browser and I have created the sheet over here, you can see Pabbly Connect has detected the same account. We will just scroll down and click on this Accept button in the pop-up window. And as we click on Accept, we will see our Microsoft Excel account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, the first thing it asks us is the workbook. That in your Excel account, in which particular workbook you want to add the details of the new lead. So here in this dropdown, you can see a list of all the workbooks which I have in my MS Excel account. Out of all of this, the workbook in which I want to add the new lead details is named as Instagram Leads. So here from this dropdown, I'm going to search for the workbook Instagram Leads and just select it. After selecting the workbook, the drive ID is automatically detected over here. If you don't get the drive ID, in that case, as written over here in the help text, you can just change the action event to add row to worksheet in bracket my drive site items. So if you don't see this drive ID after selecting your workbook, then you can just change the action event to this particular action event and try making the connection once again. After workbook, it is asking us worksheet. So it is most likely possible that in your Excel workbook, you might have created multiple sheets over here. So out of all of them, in which particular sheet you want to add the details of a new lead, you have to select that. Right now, I have only one sheet named as sheet 1. That's why by default, we are going to select sheet 1 over here. And after that, all the columns of data, all the headers which we have created, which we have added in this Excel sheet, you can see all of these headers as fields inside Pabbly Connect. We have first name, last name, email, mobile number, city, and gender. So all the header data, all the columns which we have created inside our sheet, you can see all of these columns over here. And one by one, the details of a new lead which we have received from Instagram lead ads in the trigger step, we are going to add all of these details to MS Excel into this action step. And we will be using the process of mapping to add the details from trigger step to the action step. And the process of mapping is very simple. Simply click on this field over here, and here in the drop down, you can see a list of all the responses which we have received of a new lead from Instagram lead ads. Now this particular column, this particular field is of first name. So we are going to select the response of first name and map it. In this way, whatever first name the new lead is going to enter in our lead gen form, the same first name, the same details will be received inside Pabbly Connect, and using Pabbly Connect, we are going to add the same details in our Excel sheet as well. After mapping the first name, the next column is last name. Just click here and we will be using the same process of mapping. Select and map the response of last name. Then we are going to map the email address. After that, we are going to map the mobile number. Then let's map the city. So the response of city is here. And at last, the gender as well. In this way, whatever field, whatever form you are going to create, you just have to create the column of data in your Excel sheet for all the fields, all the data, and one by one map the respective details over there. After mapping all the details, just click on Save and Send Test Request. After clicking on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see we have received the response. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that the details which we have mapped over here, basically the details of a new lead which we have received from Instagram lead ads, all of these details are now added in our Excel sheet. So let's check it. We will go to our Excel sheet and we will just refresh our sheet once. And yes, here you can see in our Excel sheet, a new row of data is just now added. And here you can see we have the details of the exact same lead which we have just now generated, which we have just now received in Instagram lead ad. So using the lead ad testing tool, we have generated a new lead and details of the lead is now added in our Excel sheet. We have the same name, same email, same mobile number, same city and same gender as well. This means the automation which we have created using Pabbly Connect between Instagram lead ads and Microsoft Excel, this automation is working perfectly fine. Now after setting up this automation, we are going to test this automation in real time. And for that, once again, we'll go back to the lead ad testing tool and we are going to generate another test lead over here. But before generating a new test lead, we have to first delete the old lead which we have generated. Because using the testing tool, you can only create one lead at a time. So first click on this delete lead button, and after clicking on delete lead, we will just refresh this testing tool page once. After that, here from this drop down, select the same page and the form in which you want to generate the lead, and then click on preview form. After clicking on preview form, we are going to enter the details of another test lead. Let's say the name of the person is test user. The email address is this. And after that, this is the dummy mobile number which we are entering. After entering the mobile number, the gender is, for example, female. And after that, the city is, for example, Mumbai. Now let's click on next and click on submit. So just now we have generated another test lead. We have received another lead in Instagram lead ads. Now as we get the new lead, we will see instantly within seconds, the details of this lead will be added in our Excel sheet. So we'll just refresh our Excel sheet once again. And yes, here you can see instantly within few seconds, the details of a new lead is added as a new row in our Google Sheet. And here you can see the details of the same lead, the same name, same email, same mobile number, city and gender. So we have tested this automation in real time and it is working perfectly fine. So not just these applications, you can connect plenty of other applications with Pabbly Connect. And one more important thing, you will find the clone link of this exact same workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can clone this same automation workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this automation for free. Also, let me tell you, Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan. And in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this automation, you can do it for absolutely free.
If you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can email us at support@pabbly.com or post it on our forum over here. Or you can write us in the comment box below too. If you want to check out the pricing of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this link. And if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Pabbly. So this is it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.